Hey there, it's Lynn from Subpar Planning. Welcome to my channel. If you're a subscriber, welcome. If you're new to this, welcome. I hope you enjoy. This is going to be a follow-up video of my DIY mini style travel journal that I've put together. I actually put this together about 2 weeks ago, and I've been tweaking it here and there. I've been adding stuff to it, taking stuff out, blah, blah, blah. I think I actually finally have it to where I want, I think I have it set up the way that I want to use it. So I'm just going to get started with this flip through. Hopefully it won't take too long. I have a tendency to ramble in my videos for some reason. I'm trying to reduce the amount of time. So let's get started. So this is a book nook. This is an actual elastic cover that goes over a book, a journal, whatever you have. And there's these elastic I don't know, attachments that allow this to have anything in here. So I just threw a couple of things in here. Oh, my cat might be coming in. I just threw a couple of things in here. I have some scissors, little teeny tiny trimming scissors, my little Wonder Woman paper clip that I made, a ruler, a washi trimmer, and then I have my pen that I'm going to use for writing. This pen, it's a ballpoint pen, medium thickness, and it's a tool pen. It's one of the rose gold ones. It's actually really nice. I love the way it writes. Hey, buddy. Let me say hi. Oh, there we go. Hi, boy. Hi, boy. And then this is the actual planner. I think he's going to start blocking the light. Well, he might just actually sit on my little happy planner. Hold on. I'll give him some space. So this is the mini happy planner that I've made. This is mini happy planner size. This is 2 pieces of cardstock sandwiched together to give you a front and a back. The paper pad is called Let's Go. It's from Michaels. It was available probably about 6 months to 8 months ago in store. I don't believe they have any more available. However, they have something similar with the travel design currently. It's on the classic size Mambi rings. These are metal. I was worried that these might cause a problem when I go through customs with the metal detectors and stuff, but I'm gonna just go for it. If it doesn't work out, I'll take the rings off, whatever. So on the inside, again, I just took some stickers and put them on before I laminated it. Then I put a Target Spot dollar pocket here, and this is gonna just hold some travel washi if I want to decorate my pages. This is a page that I made. This is an actual envelope. This is a mini happy planner style envelope that I've made, but I laminated it and I cut it. I wanted to try to see if I could laminate something, and to be honest with you, I'm not really a big fan of this. I think for me, I couldn't punch it with my Mambi punch, so I had to use the hole punch. I'm not really a big fan of that. And I don't really care if this is laminated or not, because I can just always make another one. These are so easy to make that I think for me laminating is really not a deal. So that's gonna go away. Next is half a sheet of the Mambi dashboard pockets. You can get these from the stores. You can get this off their website, I think. And I just have an empty one here so I can fill it with some pictures as we go along, because I'm going to bring my sprocket with me so I can take pictures. This is my travel bucket list. We're actually going to be getting together this evening. We're going to go over some stuff that we want, and whatever we decide we're going to go on, I'm going to write that down. This is pocket that I made using the same paper pad, so it all kind of matches. It's front and back. And then these are some stickers that I'm going to bring with me. So all I did was I just took some sticker paper, the empty sheet of sticker papers that I have, and I just put a couple of stickers on here to decorate with, some sayings, and I wanted to be able to document the weather. These for when we're just kind of hanging out making memories or doing selfies or whatever. A couple of cameras for maybe more photogenic spots, a couple of blank labels, and then if I find any maps or something, I can actually put that on here and mark the places where I went for my scrapbooking part. These are the 3 weeks countdown, so I have everything written down here, and then on the back side, I just have down what I need to do. And I did that for the first, second, and third, second, and last week. This is the packing list page that I put together. So I just kind of wrote down some basic things that I know that I'm going to want to make sure that I have, and then on the back side, I've extended it more and added actually more things that need to go. So then this is going into the actual travel planner itself. This is, hold on a second, I think I'm all messed up right here. Okay, here we go. This is actually going to be filled out probably tonight the airline or flight number. I left this space here empty so that I can journal in here while we're sitting in the airport. And then the back pages are blank too, so that again, I can journal in there, add photos, ephemera, whatever I want. This is going to be our first full day there. It's Halloween. I know that they don't really celebrate Halloween so much in Iceland, but I wanted to just kind of decorate it and acknowledge that it's actually in fact Halloween. Some new things that I added to this that I didn't have in the video was I added these envelopes. So what I did was I have the We Are Memory Keepers envelope maker. It makes envelopes in different sizes. This is, I believe, the 4x7 size. So what I did was I just made my envelopes. I added a little Velcro attachment here so it stays shut. And I was just going to use this for any kind of ephemera that I find, loose receipts and things like that. So I popped that in there. And I did put some washi on it to kind of help strengthen the paper edge so that it wouldn't get so, torn up. And again, here's, the daily pages to fill out, all decorated, ready to go. Again, back sides of each of these are empty so that I can add stuff to it, photos and things like that. This will have a return flight information, and that'll be it. Here's another pocket that I made with the same paper pad. Whoops. There we go. There's the pocket that I made with the same paper pad, and then I also added a couple of sheets of expense trackers. That way I can keep track of what I've bought, how much I've spent, and how I spent the money on. It's not necessarily, like, I have a budget, and the budget, I should have no problem staying within budget, but I'd like to just kind of see, like, what did I spend my money on when I was on my trip? The next thing I have is this envelope. This is a pen and gear envelope from, whoopsie. Sorry about the camera shake. This is a pen and gear envelope from Walmart. When they were having all of the back to school stuff a couple of months ago, they were selling these sets of 3. It had a bigger one, this gray one, and then a smaller one. Unfortunately, the smaller one is too big for the micro, but it's not very big for it's not big enough for the mini. The middle one was perfect. So all I did was I took my hole punch, punched some holes in it, cut it, and then added it in here so I can use this to hold these journaling cards. So if I want anything to write about, or if I want to put some pictures on here, I can, and then I can just punch them when I get home to add to this, or I can glue them in. And then it's got this zipper page, which I think is great. So I can put anything that's I don't want to lose, like any loose change, money. I think it's kroner that they use, so I can put some in there, or I can put my passport or any other paperwork that I want that I don't really want to lose. I have a sheet of the Mambi pages. These are the dashboard pages. I filled it with some ephemera, but I'm hoping to actually replace that with photos as we go along. And then here's another envelope that I've made. This one's reverse of the first one. So this is an envelope using the same paper pad. I put washi on it, punched it, and then I just did it so the opening's on this side. And again, got a little Velcro closure to help kind of keep anything that opens in there. And I actually took this ephemera from that paper pad and I just glued it on there. And then I had some extra sheets of paper. So this is just for journaling or whatever. This is from the Mambi pack. It's a 4-pack. Sorry, it's 40 pages, 10 pages of each color, and there's 4 colors. And then this is a full-size classic. I thought this might be fun to put any extra stuff in that I might want to. So all I did was, it was actually classic sheet this size. So all I did was I took the Mambi punched part and I cut it off, and then I just punched this edge and flipped it over. So this is basically a classic size sheet without the Mambi punch holes here on this side. So I just did a couple of those just in case I wanted to add something. It's not the same size as the planner page, but it's okay. And then on the back side, again, it's double-sided. It's cardstock that I sandwiched together. I threw some ephemera in there, and then I put another Target Dollar Spot pocket right there. So if I want to add some stuff, I can. But I also put stickers underneath them so that if I don't have anything, there's still something there and it's not this blank space. I did the same thing in the front. And I actually might bring some more travel washi tape. I just haven't decided yet. And so that will be it. And this will go into my carry-on. And then that way I can use it. I can journal with it. I can write in it. I can do whatever I want and get it done. So anyways, this will maybe or probably is going to be the last video that I put up before I leave. I'm not leaving for another almost week and a half to 2 weeks. But it's just I have to work and I've got school commitments and I have all these other things, just like everybody else. Busy life. So anyways, I will probably be posting pictures here and there on my Instagram of my trip if you want to see some pictures of Iceland. I hear it's quite stunning and I'm very excited and I look forward to it. So I'm going to try to get a couple of pictures of my little happy planner in front of a geyser or something. So anyways, hope this video finds you well. Remember, you are loved. You're wanted and you're needed and you deserve to be here, and don't ever let anyone tell you different. I hope this finds you happy and healthy. I will talk to you later and I'll see you soon. Bye. Deuces.